Gene, open up, it's me!
Hey, Delson!
What'd you move the clubhouse?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll, man.
Well, no, you're gonna rock and roll. I'm gonna stick to the shadows.
What?
You know, stealth.
Right. Stealth. Alright, Stealth, what's the plan?
You know all those suspected bioterrorists we freed from the DUP?
Well, I actually remember it being a rescue party of one, but go on.
It turns out the Accurant gang's been rounding them up and holding them at a construction site near here. They're planning to sell them back to the DUP.
Great. Why don't we go get them?
Don't worry, I'm sending my friends to meet you there.
And by friends, I hope you mean an army of archangels and not Melvin and Lenny from your D&D group?
I don't have it.
Gee, seriously, man, you've got to lighten up. Okay, buddy, I'm here. Where are your friends?
They're on their way, but you need to check the interior of the site, and they're not so good in enclosed spaces.
Angels are claustrophobic. Great. Anything else I should know about my backup?
They're not so great in water either?
Well, that makes two of us.
Keep looking.
Why not? As long as I'm here. Nope, two down.
Нечего тут шариться. Эй, он там! Пусть повизжит! Вот этот свет! Видишь? Эй, глянь, кто там?
Man, those Akurans are good at hiding people. Whoa, wait, I'm hearing choppers, man.
Get to the roof. DUP helicopters are picking up shipping containers there.
And the conduits must be inside. Damn it, too late.
No, see my angels? I'll have them keep the helicopters close enough to the roof so you can jump on the containers.
Oh, sure. Just jump on the moving shipping containers 4 stories off the ground. You see, this is the kind of fun stuff. It's not crazy to be awesome. Hey, Angels, heads up! I'm container surfing! Eugene, here's another one for you. Angels, catch! That's the last of them.
Delson, that last container's on the ground in Denny Park. DUP's converging on it now. You can't let them get those conduits.
I am not letting you have these people. Eugene, you got any more angels you can send my way?
Yeah, look, but it might take a while.
I haven't got a while. Gonna use up all the ones I got in about 2 minutes.
No, look, this isn't supposed to happen.
Don't flake on me now, man.
Look, I can't do this anymore.
Ooh, quite a kick you got there. Eugene, no, stay with me. Eugene? Eugene? Come on, man, please tell me you did not just leave me at the altar. Never saw me coming.
Behold, for I have come.
Eugene, buddy, please tell me that's you. Oh, you guys are gonna hate this. Okay, Teen Angel, softened them up for you. Eugene, when this whole thing is over, you think you can teach me how to do that?
You are not worthy.
You turn into a real ass when you're an angel, you know that? What took you? Well, look who decided to join the real world.
Yeah, you convinced me. Figured I'd give people one more chance.
Well, on behalf of people, thank you.
Yeah, well, worst that can happen, they let me down again. I ran hellfire on their asses.
There you go, kid. Happy thoughts. A man, a plan, and an aerosol can. Ever since Eugene, I try to stay close.
News reported an explosion at the tower, then immediately retracted. Try to find a good vantage point to scope things out.
Well, Reg, you're right. They're scrambling, but no one's firing.
Now they're ordering all Seattle PD out of an area near the waterfront. Must be something they don't want anybody to see.
Well, hope they don't mind if I take a look.
It sounds like they've carpeted the group with APCs. Stick to the rooftops.
You worry too much. Hey, Reg, I ever tell you how great the views are from up here?
Eyes on the prize, brother. We'll sightsee later, yeah?
Reg, there's scorch marks everywhere. It looks like my handiwork.
Ah, so there's another smoke conduit. Shouldn't surprise you. It's not just one of each.
I don't know. I guess I was just hoping for something new.
Show me what you mean by handiwork. Wow. So this is what it looks like when you... I've avoided looking up close.
Hey, man, they do the same thing to me.
There he is. Let's go. We have a new target sighted.
Situation team respond. Situation team respond.
Oh, wait. I hear another one.
Situation team respond. Situation team respond.
DUP helmet. Still working?
Situation team respond. Situation team respond. We've reacquired Daughtry east of your 40. Situation team respond.
Reg, this conduit, man, they're saying it's that guy, Hank.
What? I thought you said she killed him back in Salmon Bay.
She did. Or I thought she did. I mean, I saw her kill him. I mean, he's dead. I'm sure of it.
Just keep looking.
Want to go home? We have visual on the suspect.
Okay, Reggie, I'm gonna admit it. I was wrong. You can keep that. A little early Christmas gift for you.
Hey, Delson, you gotta call a girl when you decide to go on a rampage in downtown.
That's not me.
I got a great view of somebody smoking the hell out of Duke choppers.
But you can see them? Where are you?
On top of a building, near 12th and Union.
Why do you care about this guy? You already got smoke.
Because I think this might be the guy who was on that transport with you, the one I got my powers from.
You mean that big sweaty guy, Hank?
Yes, and if he busted out of Augustine's tower, then maybe he can help me figure out a way to break in. Why don't you come with me and help?
No. No, that guy is bad news. I think I'll just, sit back and watch the fireworks. Delphin, just watch yourself. I don't trust the bald redneck.
Sure, but I'm not exactly helpless, alright? Besides, he and I've got something in common. Got no love for Augustine.
Yeah. Good luck.
Reg, I got eyes on him. He's on a rooftop downtown fighting off choppers.
Alright, but listen to me. Don't let the DUP catch him.
Oh, right, I got it.
And don't let them kill him either. And don't you kill him. But don't let him get away.
Jeez, man, it's a lot to remember. Reg, I'm on the roof.
Hank?
Isn't.
You lost him?
No, I didn't lose. I'm just keeping my distance.
On purpose?
He can practically fly, man.
Yeah, so can you. In 3 languages.
Trying to get killed! Ian! Reggie, I got him!
If the cop's here, I'm gone. Your turn with the chopper.
Damn it, Reg, you scared him off! Oh, yeah, I think it, and I created. Damn it, Reg, I lost him.
Yeah, well, I didn't. Lantern District, Hingham Market. 911 switchboard's gone crazy. Reports of a bioterrorist.
Hank, wait! I'm not gonna hurt you! I just need your... Oh, never mind, I already have that.
This town is yours, baby!
Hank! Come on, man, I don't want to do this!
Then stop!
Would you slow down? I just want to talk!
Got nothing to say to you! I'm warning you, kid! Back the hell off!
Make me! Hank, I need your help!
Ain't gonna get it!
take a punch.
Hank? How the hell did you get this number?
You listed. Sorry about the thing with the sucker punch before, but I knew there was no talking to you till you calmed down. You calm down?
I swear, man, when I get my hands on you,
I'll call you back in a half hour.
No, wait. I'm calm.
You sure? 'Cause so far you've been all about chasing and shouting and wailing away at me.
I'm gonna take Augustine down, but I need your help to do it.
I could sign on for something like that.
Great. Then we should...
Hold on. The DUP guys around here are scrambling. Something's up. I'll check it out and I'll call you back.
Reggie, it's me.
Delson, thank God. You disappeared on me.
Sorry, look, I caught up with Hank. He wants to work with us to get to Augustine.
What? No, I'm not so sure that's a good idea, man.
Come on, you know what, big brother? You worry too much.
Yeah, maybe you just don't worry enough. Listen, be careful and watch your back.
Worry too much.
Not enough.